gonna eat it tonight. We gotta eat, okay? Hello everybody. Tonight we make easy dish. It's so easy. We make pork Milanese. I got over here already, I put salt and black pepper. And on the side we do the arugula. This is arugula from my garden. I got so much arugula. Maybe nobody believe, but I got so many. Okay, for start, like I say, we gotta start with the pork Milanese. And I got over here the pots. Let's put the gas on. Okay, and we put oil. I'll try to put a little bit. Okay, it's enough. Okay, it's enough of the oil. After I want to put a little garlic, okay, give a good taste for the Milanese.
Billy sent you 100 stars.
Okay, hello everybody. Tonight we make a pork Milanese. If we start with a little wine and we say salute e cin to everybody. And thank you so much to look this video on Tuesday. Cin cin salute and thank you for the star. Cin cin salute. Okay. Over here I got flour. I put salt and black pepper. I got eggs, and I put salt and black pepper on eggs. And over here the breadcrumb, it's a plain breadcrumb, but I use parsley, I chop. I use fresh parsley from my garden too. And with the, give a little mix for the breadcrumb like this. Okay, now, for start, like I said, I like to put a little garlic.
So thank you to Sean for starting.
Thank you very much, Sean. Thank you. Okay, now
Hello, Maria.
we warm up the oil a little bit. At the same time, I bring my pork over here. And we start the flour. Okay. I pack really good with the flour.
So thank you, Julie and Debbie.
Thank you very much, Julie and Debbie.
Barbara.
Barbara, everybody, thank you so much. Okay. Okay, now I want to put a little piece of butter.
Sorry, we don't have the microphone today. Oh, we don't have the microphone. Thank you, Mike, too, because Jeremy put always microphone.
Yeah, you know, well, Jeremy, today he have something to do. He's busy. He have to go someplace. And now my wife, we do. Now, I don't got the microphone. I hope everybody hear me now. I got to talk a little bit higher. Okay? I don't want to start to scream too much. Okay, we load the gas.
Oh, somebody from Ireland watching you.
Oh, thank you very much.
If you like the video, please share. Thank you very much.
I hope everybody like what I'm doing. I want to load. Okay, I was low ready. Yeah, I want to make a shoe. Okay.
Maria, she say she hear good.
Okay, thank you very much. You know, like I say, I gotta talk a little bit high.
And you have hello from Staten, Italy.
Oh, Italy. Buongiorno Italia, come si va in Italia? Fa molto caldo? Qui dove io abito oggi era 40.
Thank you, Joanne. Joanne, or maybe I said wrong your name, sorry.
Okay. And we did this nice. And now the only thing, after that, I gotta make sure to wash my hand.
Look how beautiful.
Okay, let me wash my hand.
Oh, good that everybody can hear good. Perfect.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Frank.
All right. Now
Yeah, we're staying cool because it's very hot.
we put a little bit high the flame and let's take it out all this dish.
Yes, he did little, yes.
Okay. And with those, salute and chin chin everybody, and thank you so much for the star. Chin chin. Salute. Okay, look how beautiful it look, huh?
Yep.
Good. All right. The garlic give a good taste.
It smells good too, huh? But thank you, Catherine.
Thank you, the Caterina. Catherine? Catherine. In Italy we call it Caterina. Caterina. This is not gotta cook really too much, gets not really thick. I want to see now on the other side what it look like. A little bit more.
Looks beautiful.
Look nice, really, really good. Okay, now on the side, first thing, let me load the gas for the Pork Milanese. I don't want something happen over there. Now we got the arugula over here. And already I got over here salt and black pepper, vinegar, oil, and garlic. And we mix this together
Thank you, Kay.
like this. And we put on the salad, on the arugula.
We always use the cecco.
Okay. And we give a nice mix. See the garlic? The garlic I was squeezing really good. I like in the salad the garlic too.
If you like the video, you can share, please. Thank you.
Look how beautiful this is salad. Huh? Okay, and now we got a melon, watermelon. And we put it on the top like this. Look at that. It's so good.
Need something refreshing at this heat.
All right. And we leave it like this now. And let's go again on the stove. And I want to see on the other side.
It's beautiful. We actually, Antonio, we do have video making taralli.
Yeah. Okay, I got something in the oven. I got a potato with a pepper. It's really, really good. Look at that. Nice. Okay. And the potato, it's cooked too. Everything the pepper. And now, let's load the gas to the cutlet, the pork Milanese.
So this is all clad.
It looks really, really good. And now I gotta taste my pork chin salad, and I wanna taste it.
It's hot. Our place is very hot too.
Okay. Yeah, I got the potato. All right. And I guess it's really, really low. And let's go. Okay.
A, dziękuję za pozdrowienia.
All right. Think somebody Polish. Let's zdrowia.
No Polish.
No?
Thank you, Kim.
Okay, let's test.
Looks really good.
Look at the cutlet, the pork. Look. Nice.
Perfect.
Really good though. The arugula. Nice cook.
Well, you can do any time. It's not like specific day. You can be.
I want to say thank you very much to look this video. It come out really good. It's easy to make. It not take not too long time to do. And we see it again next week on Tuesday, the same time, 6 or 6:30. And say thank you very much for your support and thank you for the star. Chin chin e salute, and we see next week. Chin chin.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.